Need. In the road toll sector, allocating the correct class to vehicles in transit is essential to calculate correct tolling. Axle determination is fundamental to obtain correct vehicle classification. Incorrect classification of vehicles causes an economic loss to the motorway operator, who does not collect the correct toll, and obliges the operator to carry out a costly manual transit review to determine the correct tariff to be applied to the vehicle. Yesterday, in ancient times, the problem of axle counting and vehicle classification was solved through totally manual work. Over time, other solutions have appeared on the market, including loops, optical barriers, roadside laser scanners, and various types of sensors. Vehicle class definition is based on measurable and visible physical characteristics, such as the number of total axles of the vehicle, how many of these touch the ground, the distribution, and the dimensions of the vehicle. Counting them correctly requires implementation of a mix of technologies, which are useful only if integrated and synchronous. Today all existing technologies, laser, radar, loops, involve high installation costs, highly complex hardware and software integration, and, lastly, high maintenance costs. Tomorrow, our Eading Innovation Company has developed a revolutionary, standalone, axle counting system, which, based exclusively on image analysis, provides correct axle counts, including lift axle and all the necessary information to define a correct vehicle classification. Our axle counter allows easy installation on the gantry without interrupting traffic, very low maintenance, is installed at a height of 6 meters and allows easy software upgrades. All this with 99.5% reliability that excludes any manual transit reviews. Axle counter. The axle counter operates without any need for external triggers, can automatically detect the passage of vehicles, and provide the results at the end of transit, sending them to the lane controller. Each vehicle, whether a motorcycle, car, bus, or truck, is processed and the axle counter produces a side view of the entire vehicle, thus providing visual proof of the axle count to assist in any disputes. Axle counter ensures 99.5% accuracy in all weather conditions, and detects all vehicles with a transit speed between 0 and 250 km/h. Functionality. The data the camera sends include the overall count of the vehicle axles, divided by axles on the ground, and lift axles. Axles distribution. For each axle, position information, in meters. The estimated speed. The estimated dimensions. Vehicle classification. The axle counter allows identification of the characteristics of each vehicle, in a simple and reliable manner, providing the end result, without requesting any type of post-processing or manual review.